Take it easy, man.
Hey, I'm Veronica Taylor, and I just want to say from myself and Ash Ketchum, this video is sponsored by The Awesome Couple. Please visit them at PokemonAwesome.com. Gotta catch 'em all.
Alright, nerds, and we are back with another episode in my Steam Siege booster box opening. And as you know, last week I started opening this. I had some on and off pulls first episode, but later on it caught up pretty well, and I was pretty darn excited. And I'm going to make sure that this is a little closer to my face than usual, because apparently some people have been having issues hearing what I have to say. So let's see if this works. Anyways, I bought this box for $75, so what I have is, I'm pretty happy with it. And let's go over last week's pools. I still have these sitting out here because that just shows how lazy I've been. And of course we got reverse Toxicroak, reverse Bastiodon, reverse Infernape, reverse Yveltal, Shiftry Hollow, Ampharos Hollow, a Talonflame Break, a Hydreigon Break, a Volcanion EX, and of course the Magearna EX full art. So that is pretty freaking amazing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see which half of the box had the better pools, and I'll let you guys decide on that. I'm probably not going to count out the points because I'm a lazy person. So either way, let's get started with part 4, and we're going to pull 6 more packs. That's 2, that's 5 and 6 right there. Let me double check. I have my mouse in the way because I am a very silly person. And let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's see, let's organize these. I don't know why I'm organizing these. I know no one cares, but you know, whatever. So anyways, we'll do it in this order because why not? And let's get started, guys. Anyways, so let's see, what are we going to talk about today? Oh, I have been put on new medication for my ADHD. I'm doing pretty good on it, actually. I think that's why I'm a little more perky tonight, even though it's almost 9 o'clock at night when I'm filming this, because I was out all day looking for apartments, because I'm going to be moving out of here in about a little over a month. Let's see. I'm not 100% sure exactly, but hopefully I will be out of here by March 1st. By the way, there is a code card for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you got anything decent out of here. But yeah, it's a smaller place, but there's only going to be 2 of us living there instead of 4 where we are in my current place. And the current place is $2,100 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I know that this place is like $1,400 for 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So we'll see. Either way, we got Greedy Dice, Zwellius, Ninja Boy, Fletchling, Larvesta, Meowth, Mantine, Mareep. Our reverse is a Shallow, and our rare is a Probopass regular rare. So first pack not doing us too good. And you know, I'm gonna try and set this. No. Let me see if I can adjust the zoom a bit. Then, all right. I am not prepared today. It's a little too hot in my room, and that is the core of the issues that I'm having right now. Is that it's that time of the year where it's, well, I mean, it's still cold out, but I can't really adjust my heater to get a proper temperature. So let's see. Oh my god, these packs are like sealed tight, and I don't know why. Let's see if this helps. There we go. Look at that. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Speaking of ridiculous, if you think those prices for apartments are high, well, welcome to Chicago. So, alright. Yes, got it. Alright, oh, there we go. We got ourselves a white code card, so there you go. Take that code card, let me know, see if we get something good. Let's see if we can pull that secret rare that I've been wanting. So, it's 1, 2, 3. I think I did the card trick right. I messed up once, I think last episode, so nope, I got it right. Right, Pokemon Ranger accidentally did the Sun and Moon pack trick. Oh dear. Flaffy, Nosepass, Litleo, Dino, Hoppip, Litwick, Nosepass reverse, and our rare is a, ooh, yes, a Gardevoir EX. I know I have this, but it's still a pretty good card. I'm not sure how much playability it sees these days, but it's still a very, very awesome card, and definitely makes, it's probably going to make my pull of these, oh my god, Why am I not functioning right now? I'm not even tired. I swear, too much heat always bothers me. And I swear, I don't know why. This is like a thing with Steam Siege too. Steam Siege has been historically just rough to open for me. Like, not necessarily in the pull factor, but just in physically. The packs are, oop, look, there's another white code card. I'm going through so many of these, I'm worried I won't have anything in the remainder of the box. So, wow. 1, 2, and 3, since, you know, the first, we got quite a few pulls there. So, let's see, maybe we'll just get a holo here. We got a Shieldon, Special Charge, Tangrowth, Fletchling, Clauncher, Nidorino Mail. Did I call it Nidorino Mail? No, Nidoran Mail. Chimchar, Nosepass. Our reverse is a special charge, and our rare is, okay, it's a Klinklang holographic. So with that, this is a pretty decent pull. 2 out of 6, 1 ultra rare, 1 holo, and my head is itching. Oh my god, random itches. We're doing good. We're okay. So, I mean, even if we don't pull anything else, we're good for this pack opening, but we all know we like superior superior pulls. Oh my god, this is like 90% of my pack openings lately are just me struggling to get packaging opening. It's like I can't open anything anymore, and that's a green code card, but we might still get a break. Let's see if we get that Xerneas break I want so very, very much. 1, 2, and 3 to the front, and let's see what we get. Oh, right, that is Clang, Lampent, Braviary, Rufflet, Fungus, Pawniard, Joltik, Clink. Our reverse is a Chimchar, and our rare is just a Gastrodon, regular rare. So no break, no EX. Of course, we knew that because, you know, we got a green code card. Kind of like, it's another thing that I'm liking with that Ultra Prism is the fact that in the green, you can still get the Prism cards in the green code. So it makes it great because, like, whenever I open one like these XY breaks, green code card isn't necessarily a bad thing because you can still get a break, and breaks are pretty cool. Some people didn't like them. I mean, a lot of people didn't like them, but I like them quite a bit. I think they're pretty cool. Alright, Hawlucha, Skiploom, Captivating Pokeball, Litwick, Dino, Ponyta, Meryl. Let's see, Litleo. Our reverse is a Driftbloom. Is that a rare? No, it's just an uncommon. And our rare is a Clawitzer, regular rare. And I actually think this is not a bad card for a regular rare. Steam Siege actually wasn't too bad of a set. There was a few decent cards in it. I mean, I know people complained about the pulls. Maybe it wasn't the greatest set, but it was alright. You know, and after Crimson Invasion, I'm not too keen to you know, rag on Steam Siege all that much. So, alright, so we're not getting any EX card out of this one. And let's see, 1, 2, and 3 out of here. So let's see what we get. We got Driftbloom, Captivating Pokebuff, Tangrowth, Yanma, Chimchar, Bergmite, Clauncher, Seedot. Our reverse is a Mankey, and our rare is Toxicroak. Yeah, friend. Alright, anyways, nerds, that was, oh, well, I mean, this wasn't the best opening so far. The last two were much better, but still better than the first, and I can't complain because we're walking away with a Klinklang Holo, and I think that is a pretty neat looking card, even if it's not the best card. And of course, the Gardevoir EX, which is actually a pretty decent, pretty playable card from what I've seen. So, might even make its way into one of my decks because I do play a lot of fairy decks. So, either way, nerds, if you like this video, please check out the other 3 Steam Siege episodes. 3 more. If you haven't seen them, check them out. The pulls are amazing because I spoil them, so you already know. But either way, yeah, be sure to click like and leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite pull of this opening was. Mine is obviously the Gardevoir EX. And be sure to check me out on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jedi_Cast and on Facebook at Cast the Nerd. And I will see you nerds in the next video. Later.